guys, today would be the perfect time to show you how I do a dramatic type style short film clip montage type of thing. Trying to show you how to make it look very dramatic, very professional, and yeah, let's do this. Have fun today. Okay, so the first things first, I really wanted to make a video, more of like a short film type of thing at the beach, and I wanted to dedicate it to my grandma. She passed away recently, and at the time I wasn't really able to process all of the emotions, and then a lot of the way I cope with stuff and then I actually release the emotions is by making films, and short films for that matter, and I thought of a really cool one we can make today. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process on how I actually set up some of these shots, make it look professional, and then make it look very moody and dramatic and well put together, you know? So yeah, let's get straight to it. So the first thing you wanna do is you want three main things, three shots: close up, medium, and then wide. Basically to show all of everything. So for example, this would be probably more of like a medium shot, right? Okay, so then this one would probably be obviously the close-up, because it's a lot more in my face, dramatic, straight to the point, gonna show a lot more emotions than like a far away shot basically. And then you have the wide angle shot. This one will help you express the loneliness. What am I doing? I know you guys can't hear me from all the way back there, but the wide angle will help you show more of the surrounding area, your environment, and more than likely is gonna show the person being lonely, because it's gonna be showing them small in a bigger environment. So next, let's actually start setting up some shots, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I actually make it look more professional. Oh my, it's so hot out here, guys. I'm wearing a flannel just for the dramatic effect. It is so hot, I'm taking it off right now. Oh my goodness. Okay. We really thought we were gonna be trendy today, but the trendiness is just it's not good. No. Okay, let's set up the first shot. Oh, it didn't dent. That's perfect. Okay, guys. There's a couple of shots I really want to hit on. I want to make it a very emotional, like I'm running onto the beach. So I think I'm going to start out with lowering the focal point, which will make it more blurry in terms, right? And having a dramatic running scene where I'm running on the beach. Then I want to make myself look very secluded. I'm maybe gonna put it to the right of me and just show me like landing onto the beach, like falling down in pain. And the final main shot I wanna get, there'll be a lot of other small shots in between, but I really wanna have me laying in the water and have like a drone shot directly above my head and just show the waves coming and hitting me in, just like washing away the emotions and stuff. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's start shooting. I'm ready, I'm feeling good. I'm like super energized. I had like no sleep last night. But yeah, let's do it. I think this is gonna be the perfect scene right here. Oh, I mean, you don't always, okay, I was gonna say, you don't always have to shoot in slow motion to make it dramatic. I'm gonna shoot mine in slow motion because it's gonna be, when you wanna make it look a little more professional and it's not like a real-time action, you probably should put it in slow motion. I shoot in 120 regardless, because if I'm gonna put it in 1080, it's gonna be in 120, just so I have the room to flux. But if you want that natural motion blur like I'm gonna do in the first clip of running, that's gonna have to be in probably 30-24 frames per second at the very least. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like a cool day or something. Galveston, Texas, it's hot as hell. Oh, I'm sweating. Okay, final shot. And the last tip I'm gonna give you guys is to really how to make your clips look even more cinematic than they already could be. is just increase the LUT that you're probably using, or if you're not using a LUT and you're doing it all by yourself, then probably just increase like the shadows, or maybe like the saturation just a slight bit to really give it that like pop. And then to add the little borders, the top and bottom border, I always do about 10, no more than 15 is pushing it. If you're really trying to do something, maybe 20, I don't really go to 20 anymore, but adding the borders just make it look like you're watching a film. I normally do it for all of my B-roll, all of like my cinematic clips, and then you can just slide them back, just like so, and then you're good. Okay, for the final clip, I'm about to go get in the water, but I have to put the drone up and everything too. I'll bring you guys along for this one because I don't need the camera. But after this, it's no-go. Like, we're getting out of here. So, let's see how it goes. I'm so nervous. I don't want to get wet, but I really want to see how this clip turns out. So, we're gonna see. So, let's do it. Okay, I really wanted to show you guys how my setup was gonna be for the last clip. When I say this is so, I'm putting a GoPro on the back. I'm still gonna be using this camera too, but the GoPro, I just feel like it's a lot better quality. Especially with the ND filter and everything. So let's see. I'm about to take it off with my hand on the other side. Yeah, you just want to be careful with this, especially because away from the face, Jack, away from the face. So basically, I'm just gonna get it. Oh, I didn't start the GoPro. Oh, that dropped real quick. Since I'm blocking the sensor, it literally can just drop and do like basically whatever now. I just don't know if it was in video mode. I just can't even see from right here. Oh, I guess I can see from right here, huh? Oh, because it wasn't even on, huh? Video. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got it. Okay, that should be it. Now all I'm gonna do is basically, see how fast it drops with that? So basically all I'm gonna do is lower, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see from here, but I'm just gonna lower the actual gimbal. See how it's dropping? Oh, I guess it's just hovering. But yeah, we're gonna put it up. Put it kind of like straight back this way. They're gonna see how it looks. Oh my god, no, that's complete other way. I don't even know how to fly this thing, if I'm gonna be honest. The one thing you do have to realize, if you're gonna put a GoPro on it, it does affect so much on the controls. Like when you slow down, it's gonna go for another 10 feet. Especially when you have a blocking sensors. Now this barely even stops. So. I think that's the shot. So now all I have to do is get in the water, which is the least fun part. Hopefully, the drone stays where it is. I will be in the water. I'm trying to get like right above it too. And I have to put this on for the dramatic effect. So let's see. Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm not doing this anymore. I am so soaked. This isn't even funny. Wasn't expecting to get my shoes that wet. But here we are. Might as well drop the shirt. I have nothing else to do at this point. How am I gonna get this actually? I forgot the drone was still in the air. Let me get that. This is not a wet t-shirt contest. Everyone calm down in the comments. I don't want to hear any of that. Okay. Airdrop. I only have a little bit of battery left.
Anna, I just wanted to say that I forgot to really tell you goodbye. You would be so proud of all the stuff you've done. We just got back from a trip. Tell you all about it. Okay, well, until then, I love you, Anna. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that turned out so much better than I had originally planned and thought beforehand. As you can see, it was very emotional, but again, with making it look very professional with the borders, with the heavier light, and with all the different angles, you're able to convey that a lot easier than opposed if you just had like, not saying like the quality like a GoPro and everything like makes a big difference, but just adding those effects make it look so much more professional, which you're able to really push the mood. And yeah, I'm just so happy with how that turned out. And let alone, that took me like what, 30 minutes, an hour max to film that whole thing. And now I'm back here and finished editing super quickly. So it doesn't have to be a crazy, humongous budget, big film. Start off small, start off with stuff like this that's very easy, and then slowly work your way up. And again, guys, I had so much fun filming that. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. We're gonna do a lot more fun stuff like this, where I can just bring you guys along with me, teach you some like 1 or 2 things while I'm out already shooting my own stuff. And yeah, I feel like you guys would get a lot from it. So yeah, a lot more coming, a lot more on the way. And yeah, I'm actually moving places, by the way. I don't know if that's worth mentioning, but this place has been so creative, like for my mind, but it's just not what I need as of right now. So I am moving to more of like a view type thing. So that might be really cool with like creating certain moods and whatnot as well. So you guys see this now, but then I'm gonna show you a complete different setup. And I have some cool stuff to film there actually. Some cool little like make it stuff. So to of course go with my make it series, I have some stuff up my sleeve. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be super sick. And yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, let's go to sleep now. Let's say actually, my turkey bites. What are they, like meatballs, but they're turkey balls, I guess. I don't know. They're in the oven, so I'm gonna eat and then I'll go to sleep. Are they done yet though? They look done to me, but how much time do I have left? 7 minutes. Ooh, that would not have been good. Okay, let's put back the music because it's been really vibey. Oh, that's the end of the song. Like seriously, like I am so soaked. I think I'm just gonna undress and maybe like try out here. Maybe we will tan a little. Maybe we